So we have started the discussion on the topic profit and gains from business and profession. So what is the meaning of business and profession or business or profession? Before moving into the topic, first we will understand the meaning of the term business and profession. Okay. What is a business and profession? Let us understand that. See, the tax payable by an SSC on his income under this head is in respect of profits and gains from what? Any business or profession. So if an SSC is having any business or profession, he is carrying any business or profession. So any profit and gains from that business or profession will be coming under this head of income. Okay. So first thing is that SSC should be having a business or a profession. First thing. Second thing, that should have a profit and gain. Then that income will be coming under this head of income. So in house property, we have seen any income from which is related to the house property will be under house property head. Similarly, any income which is related to the business or profession carried on by an SSC will be coming under this head of income. That is the business or profession. Okay. So what is a business and profession? Business definition is given in section 2 subsection 13 of the Income Tax Act. So if you will see section 2 subsection 13 of the Income Tax Act 1961, the term business is defined in that section. So what is the meaning or definition of the business? Any trade, commerce or manufacture. So business includes what? Any trading activity, any commerce activity or manufacturing activity, or any adventure or concern in nature of trade, commerce or manufacture. So anything which is related to trade, commerce or manufacture will be business. Okay. So business means what? Trade, commerce or manufacturing activity. So where is that definition given? You can get that definition in section 2 subsection 13 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Now what is a profession? Profession term is not defined in the act. Okay. So profession is not defined in the act. Business definition is given in the act. Business means any trade, commerce or manufacturing activity is business. What is a profession? Not defined. Now, how you can distinguish between business and profession? So normally we say that if you are having a business or a profession, if you are a self-employed person can be of two types. Either he may be a businessman or he may be a professional. Okay, both are self-employed only. Okay, either you can be a business or it can be a profession. Both are self-employed, both will earn their own income. Okay, but what is the difference between business and profession? Business means trade, commerce or manufacturing activity, buying, selling. Okay, that is a business. Or manufacturing goods, products, etc. That is a business. Now what is a profession? Profession is also self-occupation only. What is the distinction between a business and profession is that if you are having some degree, okay, qualification or eligibility, that will come under profession. So if you are having some special qualification or degree, then we will call it as a profession. So it is a occupation requiring some degree of learning. Some special qualification should be there. Then we will call it as a profession. Otherwise, trading, commerce, and manufacturing activity will be coming under business. So if you are having some special degree of learning, you will be called as a professional and you will be set to carry a profession. Okay, understood the term business and profession? Business means the trade, commerce, manufacturing, buying, selling, manufacturing of products, etc. But what is a profession? It is an occupation, self-occupation, you can say, which is requiring some degree of learning, some special learning you are having, because of which you are eligible to carry on that occupation. Then you will be called as a professional. Okay, like auditors, lawyers, doctors, they are professionals. Okay, so what is the difference between business and a profession? Both are self-employment only, self-occupation only. Only difference is that business is a trading activity, manufacturing activity, selling, buying, manufacturing activity. But profession is an occupation, self-occupation, which is requiring a special degree of learning. Okay, like auditors, lawyers, doctors, authors, painters, sculptors, all they are professions or professionals. Architects, astrologers. Okay, so we will not say that a lawyer is carrying a business. We will say that lawyer is carrying a profession. Okay, that is a distinction between a business and a profession. Okay, if we will see in detail. See, painters who do paintings, sculptor who make various structures, etc. Authors, auditor, lawyer, doctor, okay, architect or astrologer. They are all what? Profession. We will not say that they are carrying business. We will say that they are carrying a profession. Okay, so what is important? If you are having any special degree or qualification or eligibility, because of that you are licensed to practice that thing, then you will be called as a profession. Like if you are completed your LLB and you have taken a practice certificate from the Bar Council of India, then you will be called as a profession or a professional. Okay, because for practicing as a lawyer, you should have a LLB degree and you should also get a certificate from the Bar Council of India. Okay, so that additional condition which is required will distinguish between a profession and a business. Okay, so what is taxed under this category? Any profits or gains which is arising from a business or profession will be coming under this head of income. Now, in income from house property, we have calculated the income from house property using various methods. That is GAV with standard rent, without standard rent. Then income from house property we have calculated. NAV we have calculated. Then we know that 30% standard deduction is applicable on NAV in case of an house property. So every head is having different rules for calculating the income. So similarly, business and profession is also having some rules which are applicable for calculating the income. So how we will calculate? Let us understand that. Now we have understood what is come under the income from profit and gains of business or profession. Okay, that is the profits or gains which is arising from a business or profession. Okay, so what is a business, what is a profession, that we have understood. Now profit and gains from business of income and profession is calculated by using profit and loss account prepared by the business. So what is the base for calculating the profit and gains from business or profession is the profit and loss account. Okay. Now when we are talking about profit and loss account, two types of profit and loss account you have to understand. First is the accounting profit and loss account. Accounting profit and loss account. This is the profit and loss account prepared using accounting rules. Okay, you might have learned how to prepare a profit and loss account and balance sheet from the trial balance, etc. in your accounting subject. So this profit and loss account, which we can call it as accounting profit and loss account, is prepared using accounting rules. Okay, there are various rules for accounting. Okay, there are various accounting standards which has to be followed for accountancy purpose. Okay, and second profit and loss account, which we can call it as tax profit and loss account. Okay, tax profit and loss account. Tax profit and loss account will be prepared using income tax rules. It will be prepared on basis of income tax provisions. Okay, it is based on Income Tax Act provisions. Okay, so two sets of profit and loss account you have to maintain. First is the accounting profit and loss account, and another is the tax profit and loss account, which is used for calculating the taxable income. Okay, why two sets of accounting are required? One is for the accounting purpose and one is for the tax purpose, because rules are different. Accounting profit and loss account will be prepared on accountancy rules by using accounting standards, etc. Okay, so this will be used for the public purpose also. Okay, but tax profit and loss account is only used for calculating the taxable income, because tax profit and loss account is prepared on the basis of Income Tax Act. Okay, this is not a public document, but accounting profit and loss account is a public document. Understood? Accounting profit and loss account is a public document. Okay, especially in case of a limited companies, etc. This profit and loss account will be published in newspapers, etc. Accounting profit and loss account. Tax profit and loss account, no need of publishing. It is only for the purpose of calculating the taxable income. Clear? Now, how we will prepare the tax profit and loss account, that we will have to understand. For preparing tax profit and loss account, we will take the accounting profit and loss account as the base. Now, accounting profit and loss account would have already been prepared by the company. By 31st March, etc., we can say that accounting profit and loss account is already ready. Okay, so we can use this profit and loss account as the base for preparing our tax profit and loss account. So our tax profit and loss account or taxable income will be based on accounting profit and loss account. Okay. So after preparing the accounting profit and loss account, we will get the profit from that profit and loss account, which we can call it as accounting profit. Okay, the profit which is there in the profit and loss account, accounting profit and loss account. So that we can call it as accounting profit. Using accounting profit, we can calculate the tax profit. So this is how we will have to calculate the tax profit. So for calculating the tax profit, we will have to take reference from the accounting profit. Okay, we will take the accounting profit. Okay, we will take the accounting profit, then we will calculate the tax profit based on the accounting profit. We will do some adjustments on accounting profit, then we will get the tax profit. What all adjustment we will do, that all we will see in detail. But before that, everybody have understood this much, whatever we have discussed?